Good afternoon, dear students. Today I will discuss about three more special integrals. I will write the special integrals one by one and then I will solve some questions based on that. Number 1, integration of root over x square plus a square dx. Now integration of root over x square plus a square dx is equal to x by 2 into root over x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. So this is the first special integral. Integration of root over x square plus a square dx is x by 2 root over x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root over x square plus a square. Number 2, integration of root over x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root over x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. So integration of root over x square minus a square is equal to x by 2 into root over x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. And number 3 special integral in this chapter is, in this exercise is integration of root over a square minus x square dx, which is equal to x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus c. So these are the special integrals which I will discuss here in this exercise. Here I am showing the special integrals once again. First one is integration of root over x square plus a square. Second one is integration of root over x square minus a square. And third one is integration of root over a square minus x square. Okay, and these are very important results which you have to remember. Okay, now we'll solve some questions based on these three. Now let us integrate this one, root over 4x square plus 9. Now to integrate this we can substitute. You can see 4x square plus 9 equal to, you can write 2x square plus 3 square dx. And you can substitute, you can put 2x equal to t. Let us substitute in this question. Let 2x equal to t. If we differentiate, we will get 2 dx equal to dt. So dx will be dt by 2 or half of dt. Now this becomes integration of root over t square plus 3 square dx equal to half of dt. Now this integral is of this form, root over x square plus a square. So applying this special integral here, we will get integration of root over t square plus 3 square is t by 2 into root over t square plus 3 square plus a square by 2, that is 3 square by 2 log of t plus root over t square plus 3 square plus c. Okay. Now we'll put t equal to 2x. So if we put t equal to 2x, it will be 2x and 2 you can cancel. Cancelling 2 will get half into x into root over 4x square plus 9. This is actually t by 4 and t equal to 2x you can see. So it will be x by 2 plus 9 by 2 into 2, it will be 9 by 4 log of 2x plus root over 4x square plus 9 plus c. So this is the answer. Our next question is to integrate root over 1 plus x square by 9. Now it's better to take LCM in the first step. If we take LCM, it will be 9 plus x square, 9 plus x square dx. Denominator you can see root over 9, so 1 by 3 will come out. So into root over x square plus 3 square dx. And now we will apply the formula. This is again of first form. Its integration will be 1 by 3 into x by 2 into root over x square plus 3 square plus a square by 2, that is 3 square by 2, log of x plus root over x square plus 3 square plus c. Okay, so if we multiply, we will get x by 6 into root over x square plus 9 plus 3 by 2 log of x plus root over x square plus 9 plus c. Our next question is to integrate cos x into root over 4 minus sin square x. So first of all, we will substitute. We can see derivative of sin x is cos x, which is here. So in the first step, we will put sin x equal to t. Let sin x equal to t. The derivative will be cos x dx is equal to dt, and the given integral will change to, it will be root over 4 minus t square. Cos x dx is dt. Now root over 4 minus t square is root over 2 square minus t square. Now this integral is of the form this root over a square minus x square, which is equal to x by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. And now using this, we get this equal to t by 2 into root over 2 square minus t square plus a square, a is here 2, so it will be a square by 2 sin inverse of t by 2 plus c. Now we will substitute, we will put t equal to sin x. So our answer will be sin x by 2, that is half sin x into 4 minus sin square x plus 2 sin inverse, t is sin x, so it will be sin x by 2 plus c. Half into sin x into root over 4 minus sin square x plus 2 sin inverse sin x by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Our next question is to integrate root over 4x square minus 9 dx. This equal to, we can write root over 2x whole square minus 3 square dx. Now in this question, we will not substitute. We will do it directly. We will consider this as x square minus a square. This integral is of the form root over x square minus a square. Okay. Formula for root over x square minus a square is x by 2 into, here x is 2x, so I have written x by 2 into root over x square minus a square minus a square by 2, so it will be 3 square by 2 log of x is 2x here, so it will be 2x plus root over 2x square minus 3 square plus c. Now what you have to remember, here coefficient of x is 2, so first of all we have to divide this by 2, so we'll put a bracket like this and we'll divide this by 2 because coefficient of x is 2 here, so we have to divide our answer by 2. Okay, so now if we multiply by half, our answer will be x by 2 into root over 4x square minus 9 by 4 log of 2x plus root over 4x square minus 9 plus c. Okay, half into 2x by 2 will be x by 2 into root over 4x square minus 9 minus 9 by 4 log of this plus c. Okay, in this way we can directly integrate this without substitution, but you have to remember, if there is coefficient of x like this, here coefficient of x is 2, we have to, after integration, you have to divide the result by the coefficient of x, which is 2 here. Or you can substitute, you can put 2x equal to 2 and then you can apply the formula. Next question is to integrate root over x square plus x plus 1 dx, root over x square plus x plus 1 dx. First of all, we'll express this in whole square form, and you know how to express this in whole square form. X square plus x equal to, we'll write 2 into x into, now with this, if we multiply to get x, you see, first term is x square, second term is x. Now to get x, we have to multiply half with this. In that case, 2 will get cancelled, we will be left with x. Now to make it a perfect square, you can see x square plus 2ab plus b square. Now it is a perfect square. I have written 1 by 4 extra. This was not here in this line, so we have to add, for to adjust, we have to subtract this also, minus 1 by 4. Okay, now this integral is x plus half whole square plus 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4, which is root 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2 whole square. This integral is of the form root over x square plus a square, x square plus a square. You can substitute, you can put x plus half equal to t, and then you can integrate, then you can apply the formula, or you can do it directly in this way, x square plus a square. So it will be x by 2 root over x square plus a square, x by 2 root over x square plus a square, plus a square by 2. A square is this, 3 by 4, a square by 2, so it will be this, into log of x is this, so it will be x plus root over x square plus a square. It will be x plus half whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, we have to close the bracket plus c whole square. Next, this will be 2x plus 1 by 4, 2x plus 1 by 4. Now this equal to, you can see this is equal to this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So ultimately this is equal to root over x square plus x plus 1. You can simplify also, we will get this. Proceeding this way, this equal to this is equal to this, and this equal to this. So it will be x square plus x plus 1 plus 3 by 8. And remember one thing, here coefficient of x is 1, so if we divide the result by 1, answer will be same. So don't forget to divide the whole result by the coefficient of x, but here coefficient of x is 1, so no need to divide. 3 by 8 into log of, it will be x plus half plus root over x square plus x. If you simplify this, you will get this, x square plus x plus 1 plus c. So this is the answer of this integration. I am showing the steps once again. So these are the steps of the integration. First we have to make it a perfect square. If we make it a perfect square, it will be of the form root over x square plus a square, and then applying the formula x by 2 root over x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root over x is this, x plus root over x square plus a square. This is of the first form. This we have applied here the formula number 1, root over x square plus a square dx. One next question is to integrate root over 3 plus 2x minus x square dx. Again, like last question, we have to make it a perfect square. For that, first of all, we'll take the coefficient of highest power of x, that is coefficient of x square we'll take common, but within the root over sign. We cannot take minus sign outside the root over sign. So minus of x square minus of 2x minus of 3. We have taken minus sign common, that is coefficient of x square common, but we cannot write minus sign outside the root over sign. Okay, now we have to make this a perfect square. Minus of x square minus 2 into x into, to get 2x will multiply 1 with this x square. 2 into x into 1 is 2x, and if we add 1 square with this, it will be a whole square, x square minus 2ab plus b square. Now minus 3 was there in this line, and to adjust I have written this term extra plus 1 square. To adjust I have to write a minus of 1 square. X minus 1 whole square, x square minus 2x plus 1 is x minus 1 whole square, minus 3 minus 1 is minus of 4 dx. Now integration will be root over 4 minus minus plus 4, so plus 4 means 2 square, minus and minus plus 4, and a minus of x minus 1 whole square dx. Okay, so now this integral is of the form root over a square minus x square. This integral is of the form root over a square minus x square. Now how to integrate? We will integrate it directly without substitution. So a square minus x square will be x, this is our x by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus c, x by a plus c. Here coefficient of x is 1, so we need not divide. So it will be x minus 1 by 2, this equal to this equal to this, ultimately this equal to this. If we simplify, we will get this equal to 3 plus 2x minus x square plus 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Next question is to integrate root over 2x minus x square dx. Again, like last question, we will try to make it express in the form whole x square plus a square or x square minus a square form. That is, we have to make this a whole square plus minus something. First of all, we have to take coefficient of x square common, which is minus 1 here. That is, we have to take minus sign common. It will be x square minus 2x dx. This is the first step. We have taken minus sign common. Okay, we can say if there is coefficient here, coefficient of x square is minus 1, and for that we have taken minus sign common, but minus 1 we cannot write outside the root over sign. So now minus of, we have to make this a perfect square, so it will be x square minus 2 into x into, to get 2x we have to multiply 1 with this to make it a perfect square. You can say a square minus 2ab plus b square. If we add 1 square with this, it will be a perfect square. But this term I have written extra. To adjust, I have to write minus 1 square also dx. Minus of, sorry, not minus, sorry, it will be minus of x square minus 2x plus 1. X square minus 2x plus 1 is x minus 1 whole square minus of 1 dx. Okay, if we multiply by minus 1, it will be 1 minus x minus 1 whole square minus minus plus 1 dx. 1 equal to, if we insert a minus sign, it will be minus of x minus 1 whole square minus minus plus of 1 equal to, we'll write 1 square. Now this integral is of the form a square minus x square dx, directly applying the formula. Okay, now if we apply the formula directly without substitution, we will get a square minus x square is x by 2. This is our x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2, it will be 1 square by 2 sine inverse of x by 1, x by a actually plus c. So it will be x minus 1 by 2 root over 2x minus x square plus half sine inverse of x minus 1 plus c. Okay, so in this way we integrate such type of integral. Okay, next, integration of the form px plus q into root over ax square plus bx plus c dx. Such type of integrals are removed for this year for board exam. Okay, such type of question will not be asked in board exam, but still I will solve one question of this type. Let us integrate this one, 4x plus 1 into root over x square minus x minus 2 dx. This integral is of the form px plus q into root over ax square plus bx plus c. Now to integrate such type of question, such type of integral, what we do, we take this equal to, we consider this part px plus q part, this part equal to a into derivative of this, derivative of x square minus x minus 2, which is 2x minus 1 plus b. So we'll try to express, we are trying to express this in the form a into derivative of this plus b. Now we'll find a and b. So for that we'll multiply this by a, so 2ax minus a plus b, comparing the coefficients we'll get 2a is equal to 4 and minus a plus b is equal to 1, so a equal to 2. So if a equal to 2, b will be 3. Therefore we can express this integral in this way. We can express 4x plus 1 in this way. A is 2, so it will be 2 into 2x minus 1, 4x plus 1 equal to a into this, a is 2 plus b, which is 3, into root over x square minus x minus 2 dx. Okay, so the given integral becomes this. Now we multiply this into this, 2 into x minus 1 into root over x square minus x minus 2 dx plus 3 into this, root over x square minus x minus 2 dx. First part into this plus 3 into this. In the first integral, in this part, what we will do, in the first integral, we will put this equal to t, x square minus x minus 2 equal to t. Its derivative will be 2x. Now I have committed mistake in this line. You see, 4x plus 1 equal to a into 2x minus 1. A is 2, so it will be 2 into 2x minus 1. It will be 2 into 2x minus 1. It will be 2 into 2x minus 1. Okay, 2 into 2x minus 1. So in the first integral, now in the first integral, if we put this equal to 2, so derivative will be 2x minus 1 dx is equal to dt. Okay, so 2x minus 1 dx will become dt, so it will be 2 into this, 2 will come out of the integration sign, 2x minus 1 dx will become dt, and this will be root over t dt. Now we can easily integrate this one, the first part, And the next part, what we will do, we will express this in whole square form. So it will be x square minus 2 into x into, to get x you have to multiply half with this plus half square. Okay, now to adjust this, we'll write minus 2 first, which is there in this line, and next to adjust we have to write minus of half square also. In x square minus x, half square get cancelled, minus of 2. Now this is now in whole square form. We can easily integrate this part, root over t, it will be 2 to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 3 into integration of root over x minus half whole square minus 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 8, it will be minus of 3 by 2 whole square dx. And now this will be 4 by 3 t to the power 3 by 2 plus 3 into, now here I will apply the formula. This is root over x square minus a square. This is of the form root over x square minus a square. So integration will be x by 2 root over x square minus a square. This is the first part, minus a square, which is this 9 by 4 by 2 into log of, it will be x, that is x minus half, plus log of x plus root over x square minus a square. So you can see x by 2 into root over x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root over x square minus a square, x square minus a square. Now we have to simplify, and so after simplification we get the final result as this. Here in the first term, in this part I replaced t by this, as we assumed t equal to this. So here we have to put t equal to x square minus x minus 2 to the power 3 by 2 plus 3 into, after that I have simplified this, becomes 2x minus 1 by 4 into this equal to root over x square minus x minus 1. If you simplify, you will get this x square minus x minus 2 minus 9 by 8 log of this plus root over x square minus x minus 2. So this is the answer. And so this was the topic. Some more special integrals. In the next class I'll start definite integral. That's all for today. Thank you.